Hello, you're watching Studio Samachar. I'm Sia Bhadra from SYBMMC department, bringing you the monthly recap of January from Bansangha's SM Shetty Degree College, Powai, a month that was full of memories. The month of January started with our alumni Hasnain Khan coming to our college to give a very interactive and fun session to and about the industry, shedding light on what goes on behind the scenes for our students in the BMMC department. Moving forward, why talk on the topic development that destroys the environment? Is it a boon or a bait? Took place on the 16th of January. There were a total of 5 panelists who had a very detailed and opinionated discussion on the topic. Moreover, our audience didn't hesitate to put their disagreements, and all in all, we had a very interactive and successful White Talk session. On the 23rd of January, we had a very special Filmy Friday where we had the honor of having Mr. Adrian Fernandez, the Chief Assistant Director of the Netflix series The Hunt for Veerappan. He came to our college and gave a very insightful session on storytelling, research, and the realities of what actually needs to be done and what actually goes on while working on projects like this. He also prepared a small presentation where he showed some glimpses taken by him during the time of working on this project. Our college then celebrated the Republic Day on the 26th of January. The event started with flag hoisting, which was followed by the national anthem. Then came the cultural performances, which were performed by everyone of the college. At last, the end of the month was done with none other than Carva, our own BMMC department Inter-College Fest, which was organized by the Media Club Studio team, where various colleges were invited and the movies were screened. It took place on the 30th of January, where our studio team worked really hard, from managing creatives to PR to sponsorships to on-day tasks like security, registration, hospitality, and inaugural to make the fest memorable. On the day of the event, we had 4 guest judges: Shoaib Sheikh, Amoli Beriwar, Seetha Nair, and Vivek Padwal. At the end of the event, 3 winners were selected, and you can find details about them in the description form below. From our creative sessions given by alumni to heated arguments in respect to our environment, from knowing what it takes to be a part of a very successful Netflix series to ending the month on a very special note with Carva. This month has seen it all and ended on a very happy note. Stay tuned for more updates and news that shapes our campus. This is Sia Bhadra with camera person Shani from Studio Samachar signing off.